If you're a landlord or property owner in California, you might be wondering if you can list your rental property on the Multiple Listing Service, or MLS, without hiring a real estate agent. The answer is yes, and it is easier than ever before. More landlords are choosing to take control of their rental listings, and platforms like ListLean are making it possible to get your property on the MLS with just a few simple steps and no need for a full-service agent or property manager. Many landlords start by advertising on popular platforms like Zillow or Craigslist. While these sites can attract interest, they do not always bring in the most qualified tenants. The MLS is the top platform for property exposure, not only for home sales, but also for rentals. When you list your rental on the MLS, it is syndicated to sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, Trulia, and local brokerage websites. Plus, your property is shown directly to real estate agents who have clients actively searching for rentals. Traditionally, only licensed real estate agents could list properties on the MLS. But with Flat Fee MLS services like ListLean, the process is now open to everyone. Whether you are a do-it-yourself landlord, an out-of-state investor, or someone managing a large portfolio, you can list your rental by paying a small flat fee instead of handing over a portion of your rent to an agent. This gives you more control and saves you money, all while keeping the process simple and efficient. Here is how it works. First, gather the basics. Details about your unit, including bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, rental price, deposit and pet rules, lease terms, and photos. Then, choose a flat fee MLS package based on the level of support you want. Every package includes an MLS listing, broker compliance, and syndication to major rental platforms, all for a one-time payment. After you review and complete a rental listing agreement, your property is uploaded to the MLS, often going live within a day. From there, leads usually start coming in quickly. Using the MLS for rentals means faster tenant placement, better tenant screening, and full control over your rental terms. You set the rent, the rules, and the timing. There are no hefty management fees, and you can update or pause your listing at any time. Many landlords, especially those managing from out of state, appreciate the flexibility and simplicity this approach offers. Managing rentals from another state is entirely possible. All you need is basic property information, access to email, and perhaps someone local to show the unit. For example, Maria from Texas owns 4 duplexes in Riverside but lives in Austin. Instead of paying a manager every time she had a vacancy, she switched to ListLean, saving over $5,000 last year and filling her rentals faster. She does not plan on going back to the old way. You do not need a real estate license to list your rental. ListLean handles it through their licensed broker. You can offer a commission to agents if you want, or choose not to. If you get too many inquiries, you can pause or mark your listing as pending. While ListLean does not directly screen tenants, they can recommend tools and professionals to assist you. Your listing can stay up for up to 6 months and can be updated or withdrawn at any time. If you are ready to find better tenants and fill your rental faster, consider listing on the MLS with ListLean. For more information and expert tips for landlords, visit listlean.com and check out our blog for more for sale, by owner, or FSBO advice.